showing up to today's Pathway to Purpose Packing Day event. We are incredibly excited to get started, and we're gonna have a great time. So I hope you bring the energy and that you're ready to pack some boxes.
I really like the cars, and I'm looking forward to using them to help me succeed in life and get to college.
I'm so excited to be here. It was a lot of fun packing up these boxes and helping. And the cards are really nice. When I get into high school, I will use them to find what education I want to do in college.
I'm going to high school in the fall, and I'm so happy to be cooperating with Pathway to Purpose as I think about college. The cards are amazing. I can't wait to use them to help me prepare for college.
We're so excited to be here today for the Packing Day event. I cannot wait to tell everyone about the school that we're working with. I know this story will resonate, and so we're super excited to have a good time and really give back to our community while helping students prepare for college.
Super excited to get these student empowerment gift boxes out to these students that of course include Pathway to Purpose, college study flashcards, and we have 5 amazing decks in every single gift box. So I'm super excited to get these great flashcards out to these students. They will get to learn more about affirmations, types of colleges, college resources, financial aid, and entrepreneurship.
I'm so excited to be here to pack these boxes and help these students start their college journey. So now that I'm a mom, I really realize how important my college experience was, because I want him to have an even better experience than I had, and I always wish that there was a Pathway to Purpose to help guide me. So I'm excited that he'll get the opportunity to participate in Pathway to Purpose, because he'll get to go exactly where he wants to go and get what fits him best.
I'm so happy to be here and be part of the Packing Day. My daughter's currently about to head off to college, and this program and the flashcards pretty much assisted and helped her get along the way with the path for college, applying for college. The entrepreneurship cards, the business cards, just pretty much set the tone for her to have a great experience. I pretty much wish that throughout my college experience I had it, but I'm glad that my daughter is able to get a hold of and be a part of Pathway to Purpose, because it just pretty much makes the experience so much easier.
I'm so happy to be here today. Pathway to Purpose is an essential part to helping students out. I know if I was a young man right now coming up, this would be the best thing to help us out. Now, as a teacher and a professor, I can say that this is a major benefit. Be able to give this energy, positive energy, promotional energy to the students so they can do great things with it as well.
The brilliance of Pathway to Purpose is it goes beyond counseling students around the college application process. The product that they developed over the last few months is also one of the most incredible, innovative tools that I've seen in terms of teaching students about the tools that they need to get into college. The Pathway to Purpose flashcards, get some for your children in your life, for your nephews and your nieces, because it's a game changer.
Today was a fantastic day. Today was Pathway to Purpose first student empowerment gift box packing day. So Pathway to Purpose is an education innovation company, and when everything happened with the pandemic, college preparedness stopped, so we decided to innovate. We decided to create our college study flashcards with the mission of empowering 1 million students. And so today we had family and friends help us to pack over 140 gift boxes for students. And so you may be a school that sees this and think, you know, we want some student empowerment boxes. You may be a volunteer that say, I love that vibe and I want to be a part of it. So what we want you to do is check out pathwaytopurposenyc.com. You'll be able to learn more about our service. You'll be able to see our flashcards, right? And you can also follow us on all social media platforms, Instagram, Pathway to Purpose NYC, as well as Facebook, as well as LinkedIn. And so again, pathwaytopurposenyc.com is where you will be able to learn more.
We have officially boxed 143 boxes. Thanks to you guys. Make some noise for yourself.